Guys, in this video, it's Ford Performance parts. This is the hood latch kit. My mom got this for me. Thanks, Mom. She watches my videos, so she might comment. My hood doesn't have these, guys. If you've seen my Mustang, it's really messed up. This is actually the part number if you guys want to get it. Okay. What else? Oh, it can cause cancer. So, yeah. I opened it already, but I hadn't opened the package. I really wanted to so bad, but I was going to wait for you guys so we can both be like, what? Like, what they sell you? Badass. Let's see. I'm thinking, because I'm looking at the package, right? I'm moving stuff around. Wow, this looks pretty good quality. I'm thinking, how am I going to put... You know what? So it comes with all this. The two plates. I guess you take off this white and it's the shiny part. Pretty thick. So yeah, I'm thinking, how the hell this, because you can put a screw when you sandwich it. You'll sandwich it like that. You know, one end will go like that, and then you sandwich this one underneath in the bottom, and then this one on top, and it's supposed to sandwich just like that. There's even a ridge, so you can have like a little thing. So it sandwiches just like that. But I'm thinking, how is this gonna work for this if this doesn't come off? I was trying to take it off in the bag and it doesn't, and it has a spring to it. Damn, it's really hard spring. This is really nice material. Said it was made in China, so probably found a good manufacturer in China to do it, because it's pretty alright, huh? And all the hardware. Excuse me, guys. All the little bolts and washers for this. Cool. Okay then, so how am I gonna put this ring on there, right? Ouch. That was really hard as heck. Smacked the shit out of me. Yo, these are not cheap, dude. I guess since it's bent, you know, look, it's bent like that, it has pressure. Man, it has a lot. Like, I'm scared to put my hand on that and it'll smash the shit out of it. Ooh, that would have gotten me real gruesomely good. Maybe I can pry it. Oh, hell yeah, I can. It fucking... Oh, pardon my French. Okay, it comes out from here, and then you can ring it, and then put it back. Cool, okay. So it's gonna be like that. He's gonna look so cool in the Mustang. And then you do it like that. Probably gonna... How am I gonna want it? Probably like this, because the string's gonna come out from right here, from here to the hood. So then when I close it, it closes, and it's probably like gonna be right here, the little hook. Oh man, this is nice. This is actually nice. I got this on Amazon. Everyone was saying there that some people didn't even get this, and I was like, what the heck? I got everything. So sometimes don't believe the critics on there, you know. Sometimes they're not saying the truth. Well, this is really nice because it doesn't just pop open. Like, you need to like put some force on it. That's cool. it's really nice actually. This is a really nice setup. Because I was looking for the Mustang had this, guys, but it's all like old and ooh shit. It's all old and ugly, and the bolts are missing from top of the plate and all that stuff. And there's only one plate on one side, and only one of these holding the hood.